Hi, welcome to the City of Salesforce videos. In today's video, we will see how to generate Apex class from WSDL file. So, first go to the home page of Salesforce and in the quick find box, search for Apex classes. Click on Apex class window and you will see the generate for WSDL button there. Now, you choose the WSDL file which you have. Here I have already downloaded a calculator WSDL file uh, uh, from Trailhead, so I'm using that one. I actually so the error here, one error is coming, apex generation failed. So actually I already completed this task and then I'm redoing, so that's why I've got this error. So let me delete this apex class file. So just delete it, asynchronous. Okay, now so here we are. Now it got deleted. Now click on the generate to WSDL file and select the WSDL file. So I have selected the calculator one and click on generate apex class code. So once it is done, it will generate two class files, apex classes. One is synchronous, another is asynchronous. So just see this file which is generated. Yeah, so it's generated. So this is very simple and quite easy. You can also see the asynchronous example class file which is generated. So see this is the asynchronous calculator. Okay, so that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching.